Earn profits with Binance Savings. Binance Savings is a financial product allowing users to benefit from competitive interest rates. All you need to do is transfer your crypto into Binance Savings Wallet to earn profits, and your deposit can be redeemed at any time. Let's suppose you have 100 idle USDT. You can use them as your initial capital and generate interest daily. You just need to transfer it to your Binance Savings account. How does it work? Click on Finance and choose Savings to enter Binance Savings page. You will see your savings balance, cumulative profit, and saving history on the top right corner. You can now transfer your 100 USDT to either flexible savings or locked savings. 1. Flexible savings. Flexible Savings is your crypto savings wallet. Click on Transfer on USDT row. Enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer into your flexible savings wallet. You will see the estimated interest for your order. Click on Transfer Confirmed to transfer your crypto to your Binance Flexible Savings account. When you turn on Auto Transfer, the system will automatically transfer all the available crypto from your spot account to flexible savings. You will find it in your savings asset. When you want to redeem your USDT, click on Redeem. Your initial amount and generated profit will be sent to your spot wallet immediately. 2. Locked savings. Compared to flexible savings, locked savings provides higher profits. The longer you deposit your crypto, the higher profit you will get. Let's suppose you choose a duration of 14 days for USDT. Then click on Transfer. Lot size refers to the total amount of crypto you transfer in one transaction. Enter one lot, and the system will automatically calculate the expected interest at maturity. Click on Transfer Confirmed, and the amount will be transferred to your locked savings account. After 14 days, 100 USDT will be redeemed automatically with the profit generated. You will find it in your spot wallet. How simple and flexible to earn profits with Binance Savings.